The freedom and power of making money online. Why you should start today. Imagine waking up in the morning without the stress of rushing to a job you don't love. Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, earning while you sleep, and securing your financial future on your terms. This is not a fantasy, it's the reality of those who have tapped into the immense power of making money online. In today's digital age, opportunities are everywhere. From freelancing and e-commerce to content creation and affiliate marketing, the internet has become a goldmine for those willing to explore it. The best part? You don't need a huge investment to start. All you need is a smartphone, an internet connection, and the mindset to take action. Why making money online is life-changing. 1. Freedom and flexibility. No more rigid work schedules or demanding bosses. You control your time, giving you the ability to focus on what truly matters: your passions, your family, your personal growth. 2. Unlimited income potential. Unlike traditional jobs with fixed salaries, online income has no ceiling. The harder and smarter you work, the more you earn. Many people have gone from struggling to financially free by leveraging online opportunities. 3. Global reach. Endless possibilities. The internet removes all geographical barriers. You can sell to anyone, work with clients worldwide, and impact millions right from your home. 4. Security. In uncertain times with economic instability and job layoffs on the rise, having an online income is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. It provides financial security when traditional jobs fail. 5. Build a legacy. Your online business or brand can outlive you, creating generational wealth and opportunities for your loved ones. The biggest risk is doing nothing. Too many people wait for the perfect time to start. But the truth is, there is no perfect time, there is only now. Every day you delay, you miss out on potential income, skills, and financial independence. The internet is evolving rapidly, and those who take action today will reap the rewards tomorrow. If fear is holding you back, remember this: every successful online entrepreneur started where you are unsure, hesitant, but determined. And that determination is what separates those who struggle from those who thrive. Start now, even if you start small. Learn a high-income skill: copywriting, digital marketing, trading, etc. Sell products or services online. Monetize your passion, whether through blogging, YouTube, or coaching. Explore passive income streams like affiliate marketing or investments. The possibilities are endless. The internet has changed lives, and yours could be next. Are you ready to break free, take control, and design the life you deserve? Start today. The future belongs to those who take action. Click the link in the description below to learn how.